Hi, I'm Robert O'Brien from O'Brien Guitars. It's no secret that GluBoost products have been a game changer when it comes to doing finish and repair work. Their line of CA glue products and accessories allows me to repair colored and clear coat finishes quickly and easily. The latest member to the GluBoost family of products is their MasterGel Ultra adhesive. MasterGel Ultra is so sticky it clings to vertical surfaces with absolutely no runoff. It also has superior gap filling capability and is very strong. It also has a super long open time. It will never separate, and it works beautifully with the GluBoost GluDry Accelerator. It also does not penetrate, so it's great for doing things like installing rosettes in soft soundboard materials like redwood, cedars, and spruces. Traditional CA glues have a tendency to wick in there and will stain those woods. It's available in large 20-gram, easy-to-handle metal tubes with included clog-resistant tips for controlled application. It also works great with the whip tips for even finer control. I work with all of the GluBoost products in my shop, and I look forward now to working with this new product, MasterGel Ultra.